Hello everyone,
Hi.
welcome back to our channel UtshaRiya's vlogs to another new exciting vlog, and this video is going to be little more special because as some of you might already know this exciting update, but today we are finally going to share it with all of you. And so both of us has officially joined
EY GDS.
Yes, Big Four, and the best part is that we are starting a new professional career ahead together after Infosys. So definitely this is going to be more special. And today finally we are going to share our welcome kits as well all together, because some of you might already have seen my last video where I have shared my Deloitte welcome kit video and he has shared his Wipro welcome kit video. So today we are finally going to share our EY welcome kit together, and we thought why not to unbox them together and share this special moment with all of you, because you all are also our family members. So yeah, please tell something.
Yeah. So from being the student of the same college, though we are
Junior.
yeah, but then we shared the same career together at Infosys for almost 4 years. We were there at Infosys, and then we were separated out by different companies. For our career.
So
growth.
in office time he was in different company, I was in different company. So we used to miss that Infosys vibes
because we used to do Teams chat and
video calls and everything.
During office hours.
Yes.
So that thing will be back again.
Even not only that, we used to sit beside and we used to do Teams chat and like that kind of things. Because beside only I used to sit.
Because at that time it was hybrid, so we have to select our seats and then we have to book our seats. We used to book our seats side by side, and then again we used to do this Teams chat by sitting side by side. So that thing will be back again.
Yes.
So let's start.
So without delaying any time, so we will just start this video by unboxing the things that we got as our joining kit as well as welcome kit. So let's begin. So let's see what EY has sent us. So let's begin with EY bags. Same bags, twin. These two bags are twins, and sometimes
it's
not
very
sometimes every time it's really
difficult.
difficult to identify which one is whose.
Because this time we joined almost together. It's a gap of 2 weeks.
Only 2 weeks, and we got our offer letters in the same week only. He got in Monday, I guess, and I got in Thursday or Friday. But the joining date was in, I guess, 2 weeks gap.
2 weeks gap. And in Infosys we were together, but it was a gap
of 2 years almost.
So
you joined 21 and I joined in 2023. Yes.
So that time the bags we can identify.
Because it was dirty for and now it's similar, it's same fully. So this is the first and this bag is very big. We take this bag in our long tours also. I mean, we can 1 day or 2 days too. We take these 2 bags only. Now it started like that. So second thing, again twin things.
Same
laptop. Same laptop, same issue.
Twin laptops. It's difficult to identify which one is whose.
Like,
sometimes I open her laptop and sometimes she opens mine, and then we used to exchange, because if we sit together and if we keep the laptop side by side, it's very difficult to identify which one is whose.
Until we open it. So
and
this is the second gift.
We get to see the names.
So this is the second thing that we got. So we have shown you 2 things that are basically identical twins. First one is bag and second one is laptop. Now third one, identical twins, I'm going to
actually
reveal.
All the things are identical.
Exactly right, because
only except one, because of the
sizes. Okay. So this thing I'm going to share.
So it's mine. I've seen the size.
Sizes. These two
are also identical.
Let's open it.
These 2 are also identical, but
sizes
are different, which can
we will vary together.
Definitely.
Wow. Black one. And actually in my last video I have already told you that before the in-person orientation day they will ask you about your meal preferences, that is veg or non-veg, and the sizes of your t-shirt, because they will give you on the in-person orientation day itself with your joining kit these t-shirts. So
yes.
Yay. So okay, then This another thing is like
Yeah,
chargers.
Actually, what we do, we used to do this charging with the
Same one.
because it's same.
Same, exactly. This one, then headset.
In the headset, yeah.
Good headset only. This
Yeah,
one,
it's
Jabra.
Jabra.
Yes. Last
Same.
Deloitte's one was also Jabra. That one was 50,000, I guess.
Yeah.
Good one only. Yeah, I can't see the prices. I will just show you. Just one is fine only. Let's show one only.
It's also identical.
Yes, exactly. Everything will be
is
identical. Because they also know that we have that bond. So see. Hello. Yeah, this one is good one. Later on you just pack it. And
Again,
then
same mouse.
Same mouses we got. Okay. So now I'll just show you that what we got in our. That one we got as a joining kit, and this one is like welcome kit. Because EY is welcoming you. Dun-dun-dun.
Again, identical.
All in. Yes. So let's see what is inside it. Open it. Just show it like this.
Again, all the things are
all the
identical.
things are same, like fully same. So first I'll just show you this. You just show. This here, the things are written like hello and a warm welcome to EY GDS. Okay, so I guess many of you knows that EY India and EY GDS are two different parts of EY. So EY India is basically the clients are based out of India, and for GDS the clients are based out of abroad, not India. Okay, so we are a part
Global
of
clients.
we are a part of EY GDS, that is global clients. So you are about to embark on an exhilarating new chapter in your career journey, and we couldn't be more excited to have you with us. At GDS, we aim at developing, empowering, and fueling an extraordinary you by fostering your diverse talents, backgrounds, experiences, and skills. We value our people and are deeply committed to nurturing a vibrant community of inclusive teams that inspire innovation and foster lasting connection.
As you move forward in your career path, I encourage you to invest in your development, enhance your experience through AI tools and technology, and build your inclusive leadership skills.
We have put together a welcome kit and hope you find it useful. Yes, so this thing we got from Sandeep Kohli, talent leader. Okay, the talent leader of EY GDS. Then second thing we have got is
Again, identical. We have to write our names.
Yeah. No, we used to share the same bottles only at home, at every places. So yeah. And in Deloitte also, I have got this same black color one. This Deloitte was
During
written
Infosys also, it was same.
but blue color.
Blue color.
Yeah, and in Deloitte it was same. This Deloitte was written for his Wipro one also same black.
Yeah.
This Wipro was written. So
We will open a shop of these bottles.
Exactly, too many bottles. Same. Then third one is
This diary
This
with a pen.
this diary. No, they have not given pens. Just don't hide your face. And आगे आशो. So yeah, this diary you can see. I guess you can see I'm hiding my face. So here you can keep some notes or something. Here your pen, and here inside you can write whatever you want to. So these are all the things.
It's a very good
diary. Yeah, compact diary. So this is a thing, and the fourth thing is very useful thing.
This is a
Very useful thing. This one.
Yes.
So let's see what's inside it. Mirror, let's do this otherwise.
Yes.
Yeah. So here you can see all the pins and everything is given. You just show and I'll just share.
Yes.
Yeah, pins, then USB port, then
B types, lightning charger, C
everything,
type,
even
and USB port.
all the things are given. See.
Yes. It's very helpful. Very.
Yeah, very helpful and compact as
Yes.
well. You can just carry it whenever you needed it.
Yes.
And
we can
it is
also
very helpful as well. You can see.
There is also a SIM holder. We can keep
Yes.
seams,
Exactly.
nano seams.
Exactly. Just show.
Yes. Wait, it's seam holder. 2 seams you can hold over here.
Yeah. Good thing.
Yes, this is very helpful and very.
From Daylight, they have given gym kits. Yeah, we have already shared that video and you have also seen, I guess. So another thing we got is
Yes.
this. Guess what is this?
Yes.
You are hiding your face like this. Just
Yes.
tell what is this. Let's see. I knew what all I will get because he joined 2 weeks back. I already have seen his welcome
Yes.
kits. This is also very helpful and useful
Yes.
thing. Laptop holder. You can place your laptop as per your angle, as per
Yes.
your wish. So I guess, yeah, pins are there, na?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can make it as
Yeah.
per your wish.
It's a laptop holder. Very good.
Very good thing. Yeah, stands are there. This is very helpful for us coders basically. Oof. So, yeah. And the last thing that I got that is little special. Yeah, I got this.
Yay.
He got this.
Yes.
And I have got this.
Yay.
So actually, this is a little tips to all of you who are going to join EY GDS. Please try to be more
Interactive.
active and interactive in the session. If you are asking questions, or if you are asked questions, if you are answering them, or you are asking questions, like you are being interactive in the session, you will get gifts like this that I got. It is a Parker pen, and you can see the specialty here. EY is written. It's a very special pen that we will share.
Yay.
Yay! Yeah, because thing is his mine.
Yeah,
So.
absolutely.
So that's all that we got in our joining kit and welcome kit in EY GDS. And definitely this journey is going to be very special for us because we are getting back our Infosys vibes as well.
Exactly.
So
Going office
together, coming back together,
having lunch together.
everything, even like now 24/7 is together. In our Infosys time, like starting of our Infosys journey, that time we were not married, so that office hours was the time we used to be together. So now 24/7 together. So we were planning actually he got in other companies as well, and I also got selected in other companies, which includes PwC India, IBM, then ITC Infotech, and another one which LTI Mindtree I got, and he also got in three companies, other 3 companies I guess. Yeah. So tell the names of
It's
those.
Vachusa, Ultimate Trade.
Yeah, Mindtree also he
Yeah,
got,
yeah.
but definitely we have chosen this one because this one is a Big 4
Big,
first of
yeah.
all. Definitely being a part of Big 4, the culture is totally different.
Yes.
So that's why we have chosen the way back to us again
Exactly.
in our professional journey.
And
So-
we will enjoy it.
Yes, many of you has seen my last video of EY first day, and you have asked me that how to get into a Big 4, like for freshers as well as for experienced as a SAP ABAP developer or as a data scientist, how to get into a Big 4, or what all the questions or things that interviewers asked or something. So we will share all the details in the next videos, that how we will get into a Big 4 or whatever questions has been asked there, and every details we will share with you
Definitely.
all, as well as our days that we spend together in EY. Every details we'll share with you all. So without any further delay, just go and subscribe our channel. There is a subscribe button, you can just hit that one and just click the bell button also beside this, and do like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel.
And share this video.
Yes, and if you are a new joiner or you are going to join EY in further days, so all the very best to you all, and all the best for being a part of
EY.
Big 4 and EY. So today is a weekend, so we are going to somewhere. So without any stretching the video, we are just ending this video here. So we'll meet you in our next vlog. Till then, bye bye.
And this keychain also we both has got. So as you can see, the things that I have already shown you, I'm just showing you at a glance as well. So these are all the joining kits and welcome kits that we got. I guess this video has helped you all, and if you like this video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos. So friends, we'll meet you in our next informative vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.